Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: your smartphone or dedicated mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, an active SIM/data plan, and a secure password. Turn on the device and make sure battery level is above 50% or plug it in. This avoids interruptions during setup. Once powered, open Settings and locate Mobile Hotspot or Portable Wi-Fi. This is where you configure network name and password. You do this now, so the core hardware and account prerequisites are complete before proceeding to configure. Now you configure the service. Set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so only authorized devices connect. For the best balance, pick 4 GHz if you want range or 5 GHz for higher speed and less interference. Make sure to save that choice. Also enable data usage limits and set a device limit to prevent overload. Once done, confirm the hotspot shows as active and take note of the exact SSID and password for the. You finish by connecting a phone or laptop. Open Wi-Fi, pick the SSID, and enter the password you created. After connecting, run a quick speed test and load a web page to verify data flow. If pages fail, switch off and on mobile data or reboot the hotspot. Make sure roaming or APN settings match your carrier if no data. If things go wrong, restart both devices, reset the SIM, and recheck carrier tethering rules. This resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.